In this bioinformatics and human genome data analysis workshop is one of the workshops under our workshop series in Genomic Safari, tracking the trail, molecular trail through sequencing. And in this workshop, we aim to enhance or improve the capacity building in terms of bioinformatics and analysis of genomic data. And in this workshop, we have invited speaker from the Hokkaido University, Professor Junya Yamagishi from the International Institute for Zoonosis Control at Hokkaido University. And we also have speakers from Thailand who share their experience and also their work in terms of application of human genomic data for research and for precision medicine. And this workshop will not be happen if we don't really have support from TICA, the Thailand International Cooperation Agency, and also Mahidol University and Rockefeller Foundation who support and make this workshop happen.
I'm Junya Yamagishi, professor of International Institute at Hokkaido University, Japan. So first of all, I'm very appreciate for the committee organizer of this workshop, and also I'm very impressed about the talented participants. Yeah, they are very, very smart, to be honest. Actually, this is a 3-day workshop, and in the beginning, nobody knows what is right next or what is the command line or something like that. But in 3 days, they are very do the tough work, tough study, very concentrated. Finally, they master how to do it, and this activity is quite important for future, because now next generation sequencing technology is getting much more and more commoditized. So in other words, the price is getting down, so that everybody can use this technology. So in other hand, we have to understand how to analyze the data. So getting the data is now getting easy, but to analyze is more difficult. So that's why this workshop will contribute to for the capacity building of the analyzing these data. And this is very important, not only scientific point of view, but also the medical setting. So now that maybe you know the genome is closely related to diseases, right? Yeah, like genetic diseases. So if you or we understand your own genome, we can make it personalized. So make the better solution, better medication in person to person. And yeah, I hope this activity will enhance or improve your capacity and contribute to the quality of life of patients or people. Okay, thank you very much.
All right, so as a co-organizer of this workshop as well, so I think this workshop, of course, is very beneficial for myself, and I think to some other people as well, because in this workshop we are doing some of the analysis using something that we don't really, familiar with. So in this workshop we have a speaker from the Japan, so he taught us the Linux one, so which is some kind of the scripts. So I think it's interesting that we learn new things. So that's the first thing that I think it's a good thing for this workshop. And the one that we are being analyzed in this workshop is the human genome, human gene. So from the previous workshop in which we analyzed the pathogen, we try to understand the genetics of the pathogen. And in this workshop, we try to understand the genetics of the human. So of course, these two workshops are greatly beneficial, complement each other, because so when you know both organisms in terms of the genetics, so you will see the interactions, and you would somehow have to you have the information to understand both sides, and then toward this kind of the information would be very beneficial toward the treatment, the diagnosis, and some other perspectives as well. So I think this kind of workshop would be very beneficial to large wide range of people. I mean, especially for us and in the Faculty of Tropical Medicine.
Okay, I would like to thank those who organized this workshop. It has been very good experience for me. I've been working on mostly downstream analysis. So after the SNPs are called, the analysis I've been doing is from what they give me the data. So in this workshop, I have experienced what they have done before they're given the data for me. So it's good to know and to learn how that has been done. And then it allows me to help communicating with those who give me the data, how it's done, and then I can communicate with them better. So thanks for organizing the workshop.
Hi everyone. First of all, I have to say a big thanks to organizers and all speakers for this workshop, especially Ajahn Usa and Professor Junya. So it's such a great experience to be here. And for 3 days, I learned so much about the bioinformatics. For example, the base callings, SNP callings. So I learned both basics and advanced bioinformatics for 3 days. And finally, I have to thank again. And I'm looking forward to, for the next workshop of bioinformatics. Thank you.
I recently attended the Bioinformatics and Human Genomic Data Analysis, and it was incredibly insightful. We learned the lab tools and the software for the analyzing the genomic data, uncovering how algorithm can preview our secret DNA, and the expertise of the instructor and the practical softwares we learned were truly inspiring. I think this workshop has deepened my understanding and interest in the bioinformatics, and I'm eager to apply this new skill in my future work. Thank you.
I have learned many things during this workshop, particularly in areas like nanopore sequencing, using Linux, and genomic sequencing applications. As a researcher, these are very useful, not only to broaden my knowledge base, but also to apply this technique in my research work. Thank you so much for organizing this workshop.
And we also have one workshop left under our workshop series, which we will focusing on bioinformatics and sequencing data analysis on malaria, particularly Plasmodium species. So the workshop will be held in October this year. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you.